Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own chocolates. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of pure cocoa butter, 50 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, and around 75 grams of powdered sugar for sweetness. Having a pinch of salt and a dash of vanilla extract can also enhance the flavor. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized, ready for the magic to begin. Now, let's get melting. Place your cocoa butter in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. Once melted, slowly whisk in your cocoa powder and powdered sugar until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. The key to beautiful chocolate is tempering. This involves carefully cooling the chocolate to about 82 degrees Fahrenheit, then reheating it slightly to 88 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect snap and shine. This is where your creativity shines. Once your chocolate is tempered, you can add your favorite flavorings. A quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract or a tiny pinch of sea salt can elevate the taste. For extra texture, consider stirring in about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped almonds or dried cranberries. Then, carefully pour the chocolate into your silicone or polycarbonate molds. Give the molds a gentle tap on your counter a few times to ensure a smooth, bubble-free surface. Almost there. After filling your molds, let them sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes. This initial cooling helps prevent blooming. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator for approximately 30 to 60 minutes, or until they are completely firm and easily release from the molds. Once set, gently pop out your beautiful, homemade chocolates. Store them in an airtight container at a cool room temperature, and enjoy your delicious, handcrafted treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.